So friends, in mathematics, we are going to take this chapter 16, mass or weight you can say. So this was actually taken on 29th, and that day we missed the video class, right? So I am taking maths and grammar today, that was actually taken in class on 29th, right? So let's start study. So it is about measurement. As last time we studied the measurement of length, right, in chapter 15. So again this is measurement, but measurement of what? Not of length, of weight. Okay, weight is also called mass, mass. Okay, so let us see what is given here. Comparison of weight. The weight of an object or a thing tells us how heavy that object or thing is. When we compare any object, some of them are heavier and some are lighter. Yes, opposite of heavy is light, na? So, if we are comparing two things, one must be heavy and one must be light. Or sometimes they are equal in weight. Okay. Anyway, let's study. So, circle the objects that are lighter and then tick the objects that are heavier. So, there is a leaf and a tree. Very easy. Which one should be light? The tree must be heavy and the leaf must be light. Okay, so in comparative mode we will say heavier and lighter. So lighter, for lighter we are going to circle it. So you can see here with pencils we have already done on 29th. Leaf under circle and a tick on tree. Number 2, cup, or sorry, bowl and a spoon. So bowl must be heavy and spoon should be light. So spoon should come under circle and tick on the bowl. Bed and stool you can easily recognize and do yourself. An elephant and a horse. Horse must be lighter than elephant. Otherwise horse is also very heavy, but in comparison of these two, horse is lighter and elephant is heavier. Now a whale, right? And a froggy. Easy again. 6, cycle and a truck. Again very easy. Sorry. Yes. This time, what is that? It is a mobile phone, I think, huh? Or mm, maybe mobile phone, I cannot say, but some box, okay? And a single card. So card is lighter and this object is heavier. Then number 8, a snail and a tortoise. So do yourself. 9, scissors and helmet. Again you should try. Number 10, a trolley and a balloon. Very easy. Number 11, these building blocks and a book. Again easy. Number 12, a globe and an apple. Easy. Spoon and plate. And then there is a stick. What is this game called? I think rugby, huh? So this rugby bat you can say, and a ball. So bat is heavier and ball is lighter. Easy na? Now measuring weight. So till now we just compared between two objects. But suppose we have only single thing, so we must tell the weight. Okay, how heavy in kilograms or grams we discuss weights, right? So let us study. इन अ वेइंग स्केल तो आपको पता है ना, आजकल तो डिजिटली, जैसे इनमें ये जो दिखा रखे हैं इसमें एक ये पॉइंट बना हुआ होता है, एक छोटा सा मीटर ऊपर और एक ये नीडल होती है, ऐसे भी आते हैं। और डिजिटल इनमें नंबर्स आते हैं डायरेक्टली, है ना, जो कि ग्रॉसरी शॉप पे रखे हुए होते हैं। और पुराने जो हाथ वाले होते थे, हाथ में पकड़ के सब्जी ले, जब हम फ्रूट्स वगैरह लेते हैं तो सब्जी वाला या स्पेशली रद्दी वाले होते हैं, उनके पास होते हैं वो दो, उसमें साइड्स होती हैं, दो पलड़े होते हैं, ओके, और ऊपर एक कांटा सा होता है। तो उससे उन सब तरह से हम लोग मेज़र कर सकते हैं किलोग्राम्स में। सो इन अ वेइंग स्केल की हिंदी हो गई तराजू। The needle bends towards the objects which are heavier and becomes straight when weights on both sides are equal. Right? So you can see two sides are there on this weighing scale. If you see the first picture, you can see on left side there is a torch, and on right side there is a quill, right? A feather. So the needle will always go to heavier side. So torch is heavier. So torch is heavier than a feather. Okay. So you can see the needle is inclined or bent towards what? Torch. This time next picture, a shuttlecock and a football. Which one is heavier? Football. So you can see the needle towards the football. This time a cup and a tumbler or a glass, right? So both are equal in weight. So the needle is straight in between, okay? Neither inclined towards the cup nor towards the tumbler. So, sorry, there is a lot of disturbance today. Anyway, write L for lighter and H for heavier. Oh, very easy. Now, this time you should not see the objects actually. You should see the needle and you will tell. Okay? So, there is a watermelon and a mango. Which one is heavier you can easily tell. But according to weighing scale, see the needle? It is towards the watermelon. So, that is heavier. H, write H. This one. H to with after watermelon and mango in front of L in front of mango, right? Again, rat and cat, cat, H, rat, L, right? See the needle and then decide. Bucket and mug, mug is lighter, so L, bucket, H. Cup and pressure cooker. So needle, see the needle and write yourself. So only this we did that day. Next time we will see other parts. Okay. So only this in mathematics. Now we are moving to our grammars in next video. Thank you.